Hey guys, what's going on? This is Tim from LiveCaseBreak.com. We've got Triple Threads Anthology Baseball. This is break 92. The only team that did not sell is the Rays, so they are ours, as you can see on the sheet. So, 92, 10 o'clock start. We are ready to rock. Here is the random for the Yankees. As you can see, we had an extra spot there. Good thing I checked that. Would make it huge. No, they put all the breakers in one specific area, Steven. So here we go. We got 30 spots. 29 teams, and then the history spot also has a shot to hit. There they are right there. They also have a shot to hit the Yankees. So, good luck to everybody. Here we go. 3 quick rolls. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. We've got 5 and 3. We've got 8 total rolls to see who takes home the Yankees in break 92. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7 in the final press, number 8. Alright, here's 8 times. Timestamp. Let's slowly scroll up. Some of you guys might have had quick eyes and seen who won. I did not. Toronto Blue Jays, almost. The New York Mets take home the Yankees. Joseph. Mets. There we go. There you go, buddy. Break 92. Joe gets the Yankees and the Mets. He's got the whole New York ensemble. Let me print this off. Ready to rock. I don't know what the promenade deck is, Steven. But basically, yeah, they group everybody into a random, or all the breakers into one side. Yeah, if you're listed as a vendor, that means you bought an actual block. The breakers are like near the entrance of the National. They actually put us in pretty good spots. But they put them all together so that the vendors and the breakers are separate. I don't know why they do that. Well, I do know why, but it's politics. Alright, got that printed off. Let me just grab 92, copy it over to here. As you guys can guess, this break will not take long. We'll probably start the second break a little early since it's almost sold out. And let me just update that last team. The Padres sold. So in the second break, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 teams. It's not very nice, Pib. Mean to me tonight. Pib's angry. Pib is very angry about archives. He is not thrilled that it went up. Archives is honestly usually like a $75, $80, maybe $90 box max. Definitely went up this year. Here we go. Good luck to you all. We'll start with Tier 1, 2016 style. Let's see if I can keep my breaker rating at a positive number. I don't know where I was going with that. Seriously, Pat? Thin pack. First auto is not the Tampa Bay Rays. I thought it was. Nice card though. Padres. The second to last team to sell. 3 out of 99. Will Myers on card. Prime performers. Having a pretty damn good year for San Diego. John W. You called Colin Ray. You get Will Myers. I think you'll take Will Myers over Colin Ray. Second auto is which way? This way. Marcus Semien out of 299. Uh-oh. 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 That might be a point off the rating. Very well might be a point off the rating. Let me just see here. Yeah, he's hitting 171 in 2017, so that's gonna pop me down to 9. That's a whammy. 136 out of 299, and the last card is a Carlos Beltran relic out of 399 for the Spankies. 110 out of 399 on the Beltran. 110 out of 399. I was hoping Marcus Semien was having a decent year. Let's finish off the tier 1. I didn't skip Tuesday. I told you the situation with Tuesday. Eventually we'll get back to it. We actually officially put in our offer today for the unit. So we're gonna hear back from the realtor or the rental agency, whatever, this week. We will know 100%. If we get approved, we're moving in immediately. 177 out of 299, Anthony Rizzo. John W. Game used jersey for the Cubbies. 177 out of 299. Middle auto is Nathan Eovaldi. 94 out of 299. Nathan Eovaldi. The Spankies for Joe. You get 2 hits with the Yankees. And bottom card. I thought we had a redemption in here. Sleight of hand. Mac Williamson out of 299. Uh-oh. Nate, guess. Guess what kind of unit we offered on. Dick. 219 out of 299 on the Mac Williamson. That is another point off because he's hitting 161. Any and all, Charles. That's a lot of units, man. The rating is falling real quick. Let's do Archive 6. This could easily drop me down to 7. What was Henry Owens? Did we decide if a Henry Owens hit comes out, it's -5, right? Alright, 6 series. Here we go. First 6 series. This break is weak so far. Average size unit curve slightly right. Ew. It's an Allen and Ginter auto. 2013 A&G. Jimmy Abbott as an Angel. That's pretty cool. 24 out of 29. Jim Abbott as an Angel from 2013 A&G. I was thinking modern player, but that works. Trevor! PC for you, my friend. Lower numbered. Some of these go up to 77. There are a couple guys that are over 100, too. Jim Abbott, 24 out of 29. That's nice. 1988 draft. I do it myself, Danny. The one-handed wonder, that's right. Alright, let's do the other Archive Signature Series. Here we go. Isn't that a variation? I was waiting for those jokes. Sandy Alomar. Uh-oh, if it's high numbered, this might be another point docked. Low number, no point docked. 4 out of 19? 19. Cleveland Indians. Eddie G. No skunk for you, my friend. 4 out of 19. Sandy Alomar. That is 1991. 92. 91 Bowman on the Sandy. 4 out of 19. Says Pip. Alright. Let's do 12 tribute. We need some magic here. Definitely need some magic. No, Abbott sells okay. Holy shit. Woo! Where is it? There it is. This guy's coming out to play. He's coming out to play. Here's our base. We got Tony Gwynn. Halliday. Duke. Verlander out of 299. 113 out of 299 on the Verlander. Get your fingers ready. Here it comes. Go! $5 store credit. Guess. One guess per username. Guess the player in the 2012 Topps Tribute card coming next. 30 seconds. And then I type cutoff. You gotta be below the line and above the cutoff. We've got Joe DiMaggio, Hank, Nolan Ryan, Miguel Cabrera, Cal Ripken, Mike Trout, Harper, Ichiro, Clemens, Ozzie, Pujols. So far, no duplicate guesses, by the way. And we've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and a man with his bun on his head. Cut off. There we go. I will tell you guys this, we do have a winner. Damn. Oh, there's no real way to do this without showing exactly who it is, so go from that angle and you guys can tell right off the bat. Sandy Koufax, 15 out of 15 gold, encased, 2012 tribute. Not Brian Jordan. Mike Parrish is our winner. The Dodgers, Brian T. The last elite team sold. Last elite team sold. 2 points for me. Should be more. We'll just go 2. Back up to 10. That should be a 5-pointer, but the rest of the break was not so great up to that, so that's fair. I did call. I said Dodgers or A's. I did. I said Mike should buy the Dodgers. Oh my God, Mike, are you still watching? Oh boy. So Sandy Koufax, 15 out of 15 for LA. Inkable Accolades Gold. That'll be on the old Instagram. Brian T, congrats, buddy. Living and dying in LA. Koufax, we'll leave him on screen for the rest of the break. Right there. That's good enough. Alright, let's do our museum mini. Well, it's 2 points for a good hit, Joe. It's -1 for a whammy and no points for neutral hits. And then I think we said +10 for a book, -5 for Henry Owens or Pat Light. And I think an elite hit would be +5, I think we said. I don't remember what we decided last week. It's all over the place. Beautiful card for Mr. Tippett. Mookie. Matt Harvey. I'm just waiting until I hit that run of Pat Lights and frickin' whoever the other guy is I just know. 91 out of 99, Byron Buxton. And the hit is sideways. Hemorrhoid on the head. It's an auto out of 10. Oh boy, I thought that was Kershaw for a minute. Damn. Kansas City, Greg Holland, 6 out of 10. There's the Buxton out of 99 too. That is a nice card. From Museum. Kansas City, is that PC? That is PC for Nick B. 6 out of 10, triple color Greg Holland. Fierce beard. Nice auto. Obviously, I think it's the only year he signed for anything. Pretty sure. He didn't get traded, right, Pib? He's still on KC? Davis left for the Cubs, I know that. Holland's still on KC, though. Alright, we go 2015 Tribute SE. Oh, we definitely made fun of them. I see black, I see 1 of 1. Damn, 1 of 1's autographed, too. Get all 4 hits right there. We're gonna have another question mark. Colorado's where he went. Okay, I couldn't remember. I seen his stats in fantasy. I couldn't remember if he was still with KC. So Jackie Robinson base. Machado, Cargo, and Michael Waka. Traded for him in fantasy. Put up a dud for me first time out. First hit, these do not get question marks. Ryan Braun out of 199. So the Brewers are on the board for Justin. Justin W. Oh yeah, I get a point for that Greg Holland. 2 points. It's out of 10. 133 out of 199. Jumbo game used jersey. Average hit there. We have a Reggie Jackson out of a $150 game used. There's the A's hit. My prediction, A's and Dodgers reigns true. Game used bat, 33 out of 150 green parallel for the Oakland Athletics. Brian, that's all you. Reggie. We have a 1 of 1 for a team that is about to hit a 1 of 1. We got here. I see. -1. That should be +1, Rich. See if anybody can get the auto. It's a pretty easy auto to get. But the team is Cincinnati. Paul O'Neill, 101 tribute, autographed, printing plate. If I remember correctly, these are oversized and they do not fit in magnetics. That's why they didn't put them in a mag like the head on the bottom. Paul O'Neill, yeah, that was a pretty easy one to get. I thought it might be difficult if I went that way, but it was not. Cincinnati for Robin B. Congratulations. Robin, continuing the heater. There's the back of the card. Official 101 stamp, too. Foundations of Greatness autograph card. Paul O'Neill. Jean-Claude Van Damme. You know, I can see that. Totally, Mike. I can totally see that. So Cincinnati for Robin. Nice card. 101. O'Neill auto. Oh, that breaker rating's climbing, guys. We might get the 20 tonight. And the bottom card on the 2015 Tribute SE, Jose Canseco out of 99. So another Oakland A's hit for Brian. 53 out of 99. No points there. We'll give that a neutral hit. Jose. Anybody that doesn't know, Canseco sells. He's got a big market. Even base autos like that out of 99. Oh, that's a green, not a base. Okay, we got all the magnetics out of the way. It's on to the main event. The triple threads. We'll go reverse years here. We'll do 16 first. It was a steroid pack with O'Neill and Canseco. Was O'Neill found guilty? I can't remember. Was he on the Mitchell report? Or did he confess? I say the Yankees have 2 hits. Eovaldi and a Beltran relic, I think. But when they do hit Pib, it's so sweet. Alright. Todd Frazier out of 340, first base. Scherzer out of 250. Garrett Cole. JD. Blake Snell. And nice Addison Russell out of 50. Nope, 99, my bad. Thought it was numbered at first. That green Scherzer maybe threw me off. 45 out of 99 on the Russell. John W. It needs to be chopped, Charles. For sure. So 45 out of 99. John W. with the Cubbies. Bottom card is this way. More Dodgers mojo out of 36. Clayton Kershaw. That's sick. Nice. Triple color jersey. Black, red, and white. 16 out of 36. 300 strikeout, man. 300K, man. Solid mini pack there. Solid mini pack. Check out the other side of the box. See what else is lurking. That might be a fatty there. You might have sniffed out a fatty, Joe. I cannot, Mike. We do have a fatty. You could use your hand, though, to like block out part of the screen. Potential 101. I actually can't tell what that's numbered. It is thick, as you can see. So it's at least a gold or a sapphire. King Felix Onyx out of 50 for the Mariners. Handicap. The Babe out of 250. Hosmer. Cespedes. Posey. Vasquez out of 27. 10 out of 27. And bottom card is this way. I think it's a gold. Not honestly sure. Might just be a base. I didn't see any color on it. It is D. Gordon. It is a gold out of 9. Nice card. Defense. D. Gordon. Black jersey, red jersey, game used bat in the middle for the Fish. Stephen P. No skunk for you. Speed. Should say speed, right? D. Gordon known for his defense? I don't know D. Gordon for his defense. Let's see. D also won a defensive award. Okay, so just reading through the back of this card, how awkward is that? Blah, 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 blah. Led an average, hits, and steals. D also won a defensive award. And that's why it says defense. 6 out of 9, Steven. Get the old 69. Gold. Alright, next box. Let's do 2015. Super awkward writing on the back. We pop to the next channel of drones here. The Ichiro box. It's true. You want to be able to see the man bun. Do I get a plus for the D. Gordon? I feel like I should get a plus for the D. Gordon. What was the other card? Ah, never mind. Vasquez evens out. Meh. It's a nice hit, though, Steven. It's a nice hit. It probably is spot price. Technically, should give me a couple points. Ozzy, 250. Sonny, 354. We got a Honus. We got a Carlos Gonzalez. We got a Mariano Rivera. First hit is Nick Castellanos. Nice card. 99 for the Tigers. 95 out of 99. Detroit is Ron. Hit for your Tigers. Game used gray, game used white. Got the nice Tigers logo on there. On card ink to Future Phenoms of a 99. Bottom card, Sonny Gray. Game used jersey for the Oakland A's. Boy, he started the year off awful. Rebounded pretty well. 31 out of 36, Sonny Gray. Game used green jersey. Another average round of hits there. Let's see what's on the other side. That feels quite fat. False alarm. We got a false fatty. Just so you guys can see. No air in that one. Not for sure. Maybe we got an extra card. Maybe it's the rookie auto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. No extra card. I'm just a dummy. Okay. Parallels on the top. We've got Maddox out of 250. Green. Longo, 354 for Tampa. Carlton. Utley. Machado. Dylan Betances. Best relievers in baseball. 15 out of 99. The Spankies for Joe. 15 out of 99, right? Yep. Betances. Yankees freebie yields 3 cards so far. On the bottom card is another Yankee. Tex Loudon. I feel like I should know that. 36 out of 36. Betances, not the on-card ink. The Unity autograph jumbo. Teixeira, let's see. Tex, Lou, and Don. Alright. Tex, Lou, and Don. Teixeira, along with Garrigan Mattingly, are the only first baseman to have more than a 30 homer, 100 RBI, 100 run multiple season with the Yankees. And now he's retired. All for you, Joe. All for you right there. We are to our last box. This is the last box of 2014 Triple Threads you'll probably ever see here. This is it. This is the last unicorn. The last samurai. Whatever you guys want to say. Think of anything else punny to throw out there. Bought 2 teams and haven't hit crap. Glad I didn't lose my touch. I don't know if we'll be able to restock this because honestly it doesn't exist. Maybe we'll get lucky and find a case here or there. This is it. 2014 Threads. If you're wondering what's in the second break, it's got 2 16s instead of the 114. It's a slightly different breakdown. Let's end 2014 Threads with a bang. Here we go. No fatty. We got a Strasburg out of 250. We would hope that a Trout is coming. Mo, 325. At least Trevor got a decent little habit for a consolation prize, though. Pedro, Lee, there's a Trout. First auto is Gaddis for the Braves for Joseph, 45 out of 99. Evan Gaddis. Decent year last year with Houston. I'm not sure how he's doing this year. She bangs, she bangs. You quoting Ricky Martin? Or is that Enrique, Steven? Ricky Martin or Enrique Iglesias? Bottom card! Damn. Well, that's a nice card. Yeah. Tiebreaker time. Future is now. Cespedes, Harper, and Darvish. Of course, they're missing Trout on that for the top 3. Game used bat on the Cespedes, Harper, gray jersey, Darvish, white jersey. Let's see, what do we got for teams here? Brian M. with the Oakland A's. The Nationals are John, and the Rangers are Brian. 2 of 3. Rangers, A's, 2 of 3. 2/3 ownership. Own more than 60% of the card, it goes to you. That is Brian M.'s card, 21 out of 27. Future can't be now, to be clear. So congrats, Brian. That's all you. Cespedes, Harper, Darvish out of 27. If it was 3 different owners, it would have been random. But 2 out of 3, 66%. Our rule is 60. All you, Brian. The Nationals, John S. Get the schneid on that one. 21 out of 27. I don't think any of their jersey numbers are 21. Let me just mark that card down on the sheet. Goes to Brian. Okay, no tiebreaker after all. Too shabby of a card for the last box. Here it is, the last mini of 14. Oh, it is not a fatty. There is a redemption in here. I can't remember if 14 redemptions are expired or not. My God, if it's a Trout. Let me put it on the bottom. All right, Koufax out of 25. 16 out of 25. Where's my DMT breaks? Nice Sapphire for LA, though. Brian T. added to your Koufax auto out of 15. Cargo, 325. Beltre. Chris Sale. Robbie Cano. Here's the top card. So the redemption is an autograph. You guys may laugh at that, but Triple Threads did have redemptions for relics for a couple of years. I don't know why. 17 out of 18. There is, Joe, and we've actually had more success stories with it too recently. 17 out of 18, Emerald Geo. John, you didn't get skunked. Emerald Gonzalez, it is, oh boy, it's a triple auto. Triple Threads, autograph, relic combo. Miggy, Meyer, Scherzer. That is a Detroit Tigers card. That is the MVP, the Rookie of the Year, and the NL Cy Young. And 2 of them are Detroit Tigers, Miggy and Scherzer. It did not expire yet. Woohoo! Ron A with the Tigers. Doesn't expire till September. You got time, buddy. Sweet. Miguel Cabrera, Max Scherzer, Will Myers. Scherzer was a Tiger in 2014. Boom. I was gonna say I could not remember. I was trying to rack my brain if 14 was expired or not. Oh, I'm giving myself some points there, guys. That's happening. Just 2. We're up to 16. Ron, are you in the room? Yes, you are. There you are, Ron A. Nice buy with Detroit. Mark Tigers for that. Alrighty. Let me save this video. We will sell off the remaining teams, and that is 92. Thank you very much, everybody.